Well, I thought it was good to be measured and tested in a few areas like grip strength and balance, and just see how I compare to statistical averages and what I might need to work on more or less. So that was good guidance. It helps draw a roadmap to where you should be training, and you can see it at home. Like, you don't really think about it, but just bending over to tie your shoelace or reaching up to put something on the top shelf, like you're mimicking those movements here in the gym, and getting yourself stronger, and being able to do all those things longer in life. I mean, I definitely feel a ton better having worked out in here pretty regularly now. I mean, just this past weekend I was in San Francisco helping my son move. I could carry boxes up the stairs. One day I walked 10 miles up and down the hills of San Francisco, and I felt great. And I used to have sciatic pain and couldn't walk 2 feet at times, but yeah, I'm feeling stronger and better, and just making everyday life more enjoyable.